welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this particular video, I will be telling you how to go about becoming a member or activating your membership on the hawkit mobile app. After logging in to your mobile application, which is the hawkit, you kindly, as you can see, if you have funded your wallet, which is your hawkit digital wallet, as you can see here, it's already funded, so we can proceed becoming a member. What we do is we click on that green icon there, become a member, which will take us to the next page where you see click here to pay now. After that, we'll be directed to the next page that will inform us on what to do. As we can see, it's 100% secure online payment. We proceed with pay with your wallet. We hold on for the process. You don't close the process, which the money, 1,000 naira, will be deducted for activation of your membership. Doing that will enable you to become a full member where you can buy, sell, and perform other tasks on the mobile app. On this particular page, we are being asked to update our phone number, so we have to update our phone number with the number we used in opening our bank account so that it can be updated in their server. So anytime you're making payment, you won't have issues because it's that mobile number that you used for your bank details that is registered in their server. So after registration, you click update and you are already a member of the account. As you can see here, we've been debited for the services of becoming a member, and you can see all the members that have performed their own tasks being paid for the tasks they've performed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.